The holiday season is here, and that means it's time to bake. Imagine the aroma of freshly baked cookies filling your home, that warm, sweet scent that brings comfort and nostalgia. Today, we're making 10 holiday cookies, all from just one dough. Yes, one single dough that can be transformed into a full platter of festive cookies. It's easy, fun, and perfect for both beginners and seasoned bakers alike. Let's get started. For the base dough, you'll need 2 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of unsalted butter, softened, 3/4 of a cup of white sugar, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 2 large eggs, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Cream the butter and sugars together until smooth. Beat in the eggs and vanilla. Then gradually mix in your dry ingredients until a soft dough forms. Chill it for about 30 minutes before using. This step helps each cookie keep its shape while baking. Now, let's turn this one dough into 10 delicious creations. First, classic sugar cookies. Roll out your chilled dough and cut it into festive shapes like stars or trees. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. Once cooled, decorate with colorful icing, sprinkles, or even a touch of lemon zest for a fresh twist. Second, chocolate chip mint cookies. Mix in half a teaspoon of mint extract and 1 cup of dark chocolate chips. Bake as usual, and when they come out warm, sprinkle crushed peppermint candies on top. Each bite is cool, rich, and perfectly festive. Third, gingerbread cookies. Add 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg to your dough. Shape into gingerbread men, trees, or even small houses. Bake, then decorate with royal icing for that classic holiday charm. Fourth, snickerdoodle magic. Roll small dough balls in a mix of 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Bake until golden and slightly cracked. For an extra treat, mix in white chocolate chips before baking. Soft, warm, and perfectly spiced. Fifth, surprise inside cookies. Scoop some dough, place a piece of chocolate, caramel, or jam in the center, then wrap the dough around it and bake. Each cookie hides a sweet surprise, a crowd favorite at any holiday gathering. Sixth, peanut butter blossoms. Blend half a cup of peanut butter into your dough. Roll into balls and bake. While they're still warm, press a chocolate kiss into the center. Simple, classic, and always loved. Seventh, almond joy cookies. Mix in 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, half a cup of coconut flakes, and a 1/4 cup of chopped almonds. Bake, then drizzle with melted chocolate for a candy bar-inspired cookie. Chewy, nutty, and so satisfying. Eighth, thumbprint cookies. Roll dough into balls and gently press your thumb into the center of each one. Fill the indent with raspberry jam, apricot preserves, or Nutella. After baking, dust with powdered sugar for a festive finish. Ninth, mocha walnut cookies. Add 1 teaspoon of espresso powder and half a cup of chopped walnuts to your dough. Bake until golden, and dip half of each cookie in melted dark chocolate. The perfect treat for coffee lovers. And finally, 10th, cranberry oatmeal cookies. Fold in 1 cup of rolled oats, half a cup of dried cranberries, and 1 teaspoon of orange zest. Bake until lightly golden for a chewy, hearty, and festive cookie that feels wholesome and comforting. And there you have it, 10 holiday cookies, all from one simple dough. From minty chocolate to spiced gingerbread, each one brings joy, warmth, and creativity to your kitchen. Less time mixing, more time making sweet memories. Which one will you bake first? Be sure to check out this video for more.